job today. Clutch. Wheels off. Airbox off. Up nut off. Tray off. Taking the under tray off. Struggling to get under. Probably had too many mince pies at Christmas. Pop the gear cables off. Lower arm. Gearbox oil. Mike always makes mess.
Not today.
That was close. Remove the stone shield. Remove drive shaft. Long one. Short drive shaft removal. Support the engine. Remove the clutch slave pipe. Top gearbox mount bolt removal. Top gear mounts bracket removal. Daylighting bolt coming out. Gearbox out. Old slave cylinder. New slave cylinder. Old clutch. New clutch. Gearbox in. Gearbox back on. Top mount bolt on. There's Mike. Drive shaft back on. Lower arm back on. Stone shield back on. Selectors back on. Tray back on. Mike's Cheetos. Why you can't get under cars no more. Battery back in. Back on. Got full clutch and brake fluid. Bleed the clutch. Pump the pedal, Mike. Down. Gearbox back on. Gearbox filled up with oil. Job done.